In this video, I'll show you how to set up Zoho CRM for a law firm or private practice in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Sign into Zoho CRM and choose the professional or higher plan for client management features. Step 2. Create a custom module named Cases or Matters to track legal work. Step 3. Add custom field for case type, client intake forms, and deadlines. Step 4. Set up workflows for reminders such as hearing dates or document submissions. Step 5. Integrate Zoho CRM with Zoho Books or a billing tool for invoicing clients. Step 6. Test by creating a client profile and it to a new case record. Now, you can streamline your law firm or practice with Zoho CRM. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.